Good day and welcome to today's class. In today's class, we shall take another example on construction of triangles. And just like I said, all you need to do in construction of triangles is to first of all interpret the question in a sketch. Thereafter, you now construct the sketch to scale. So, the higher we go, the tougher it becomes. I shall be bringing more construction that are said to be kind of complex and difficult. So, all you need to do is just to use the idea I gave you and see how you can manipulate it and get what you are asked to do. So this question says that triangle ABC has AB to be equal to 5.5 centimeters. So let's sketch our triangle. So this is triangle ABC. That side AB is 5.5. So this is 5.5 centimeters. BC is said to be 7.4. 7.4. And triangle ABC is 120. So this is angle 120 degrees. That the line drawn from B perpendicular to AC meets AC at Q. So we are going to bisect this. We are going to bisect this. It should meet AC at this point Q. Let me call it capital Q. We have to construct QR parallel to BC. This is BC. So QR should be parallel to BC. So a parallel line should be something like this. Okay, parallel to BC. And if it is parallel to BC, it therefore means that this angle should also be equal to 120 degrees. If it meets AB at S, so this point here should be S, we should find SC. SC is the distance from here to this. So let's call it Y. So this is a complex construction, but since we have been able to sketch it, then we can construct it. So let's go ahead and construct this. But don't forget to like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow me on Facebook at my lesson teacher. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. Let's go ahead and construct this. So we have our line segment. We have to pick a point, call it point A, and we are told that AB is 5.5 centimeters. So since I'm using my centimeter rule just to pick the point, this is point B. Okay, so what we need to do next is to construct angle 120 degrees at point B. Now, for you to construct angle 120 degrees, remember when we're looking at complex triangle, we said when you construct 60 degrees, the obtuse angle you get at the other end is said to be an angle 120 degrees. So I'm going to construct 60 degrees this way so that whatever I have next is said to be 120 degrees. So with B as center and any comfortable radius, you construct a semicircle. Okay, and you call this point small letter A and B. With small letter B as center, you construct, with that same radius, you construct an arc and you join, call this point C, you join BC. So this is 60 degrees, while this is said to be 120 degrees. So this is how to construct 120 degrees. And we are told that BC is 7.4 centimeters. So you can either use your compass to construct 7.4, or you just go straight ahead to mark 7.4. So that is what I will do. So this is my 7.4 mark. So this is 7.4 mark. Okay. That gives me my point C. So this is point C. I'm going to join A and C. So I have gotten AC. This is 7.4 centimeters, while this is 5.5 centimeters. Next is for us to draw a bisector. The line drawn from B perpendicular to AC meets AC at Q, meaning this line is going to bisect AC into two equal parts. So I'm going to bisect AC, and how do I do that? With A and C as center and radius greater than half AC, I'm going to bisect AC. Remember what we did during bisection of lines. So I'm going to draw an arc. So with A as center, I'll construct an arc this way, and with C as center, I will do same to construct an arc this way. Call this point, I have A, B, C, D. This is point D. So I'm going to join D and B together. So this is going to give me this. And this point is said to be point Q. So this is my point Q. Good. Next is to draw a perpendicular line at Q, okay, to cut across AB. So how do I draw that perpendicular line from point Q? Sorry, this is the point Q on the triangle, not this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make use of my ruler and my 60-degree set square to construct a parallel line from point Q that will be parallel to A to BC as stated in the question. So what I'm going to do is to set my 60 degrees set square on that line that I want to copy. Okay, so I'll set it to be parallel to BC, as in this case, while my ruler now comes in to give it a straight line. So what I'm going to do next is to push it until it gets to point Q without moving the ruler. Okay, so when you do that, you slide it on the ruler to that point. With this, you can construct any parallel line that is parallel to BC. So you ensure it is well seated on the rule. And this point, if I should draw a straight line, it gives me a line that is parallel to line BC. So I can then draw my parallel line. I'm still holding it. So this is going to be my parallel line. So that line is passing through point Q and is said to be parallel to BC. Another way you can construct this parallel line is to also align your rule to be directly on AB, okay, and copy line AB to be horizontal, parallel to AB, but cut across angle point Q. There you can then construct your angle 120 degrees as we did on line AB, and that way you can copy line. You can draw a parallel line. So having done that, we are then asked to construct QR parallel to BC. Okay, this is what I just did. QR parallel to BC. So this is QR, this is R. Okay. QR parallel to BC. If it meets BC at point S. So this is QR and this should be S, point S. So this should be S rather, point S. Okay. So we have gotten point S. If it meets AB at S, we should find SC. So we are to find SC. So this is S and this is C. So let me use a broken line. And measure. So when you measure SC, line SC from my own construction is said to be 9.5 centimeters. So this is what you are to get, which is said to be our point, our line Y. So Y is said to be equal to 9.5 centimeters. So this is what you will get. So from the sketch, we're able to construct our triangle ABC. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow me on Facebook at My Lesson Teacher. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. While you can use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. Well, I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next exercise on construction of triangles.